Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers, I really appreciate. Please kindly hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment, and also put on your notification bell. So let's unfold the wheat. Ah, alright guys, you can come and join me. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, you're highly welcome. Please do me one favor by clicking the subscribe button, like, share and comment, and also put on your notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And for my returning subscribers, you have this. I really appreciate. So in today's recipe, we are making a yummy, delicious egusi soup with fresh fish. You know what? You won't like to miss this recipe. So before I introduce to you the ingredients that we are going to use for today's recipe, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let me introduce to you the ingredient that we're going to use for today's recipe. We have here with us our fresh fish, our melon. This is Maggi, salt, pepper, crayfish, and our sliced vegetable ugu. We are using pumpkin leaf. So let's go. Join me to the kitchen. Let's go. So I've lighted the gas. So in a clean pot, you add a small quantity of water and allow it to boil. So in a clean bowl, you add in your already blended melon. So you add some water and mix it. So don't overpour the water so that it will not be watery. Okay, let's check our water. So the water has already boiled. So in a boiling water, you add in your already mixed melon with water. So here I'm adding. So as you scoop it, add it inside already boiling water. Okay, you scoop in your already mixed melon with water. So after that, you go ahead and add in your palm oil, red oil, and cover the pot and allow it to cook for like 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, let's check our soup after 15 minutes. All right. Do you see? So let me scatter it. So at this point, you have to scatter the melon. Scatter it. Okay. So I'm going to add a little water and our protein. Remember, we are using fish, so and I did not parboil it, so I'm going to. That's why I'm adding it on time. So I'll go ahead and add pepper. Our crayfish. And Maggi. Let's add your seasoning cube. And some salt. So go ahead and give it a stir. So I'll cover the pot and I also allow it to cook for like extra 10 minutes. 10 minutes, we'll be back to shake it again. Okay, let's check our soup after 15 minutes. Wow. Is almost getting ready. So I think I'll still leave it to like 10 minutes so that it will dry up the water a little bit. Okay, let's check our soup. The aroma is made in heaven. Wow. So as you can see, it has thickened. So and our soup is done. So let's add our vegetable, the pumpkin leaf, ogo, and we're adding the pumpkin leaf, our pumpkin leaf, ogo. So guys, the aroma is wow. Please guys, if we are able to watch up to this moment, kindly click the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button. Oh. Click the subscribe button. Like, share, and comment. Let me know what you think. This recipe, let me know what you think. Oh, just comment your opinion on the comment section, guys. Comment. Let me know whether you like this recipe or your method, as in, or you are using this method for Egusi soup. I don't know, or which method do you prefer or do you use? Just let me know, guys. Don't forget to share it as well. Give my video a thumbs up so that YouTube will recognize it to other people. Alright, I'll cover the pot and I'll still allow it to cook for like 2-3 minutes. Then I'll off the lights. Okay guys, this is our soup. It's done. It's done like done. Like like done. So let me off the light. So tell me what do you think about this my method? Or you can also tell me how you make your own on the comment section. Alright guys, let me dish out the soup. Okay, I've off the lights now at this moment. So let's dish the food, the soup. Alright. This is our soup. Our soup is ready. Remember I told you guys that we are using fresh fish. So what do you think? Don't forget to click to hit the subscribe button, guys. Please support my hustle. Alright. Thank you for always staying with me. I really appreciate. Okay. So I'm going to do my wheat so that I'll use it to enjoy this meal. Alright. So okay guys, let me do small wheat for the enjoyment. So I want to do wheat that I will use to enjoy the food. Okay. So our wheat is ready. Okay guys, look at our soup and our wheat. Did you see? So let's go into testing. 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 So let's unfold the wheat. Ah! Alright guys, you can come and join me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.